Hi everybody, my name is Paul Montan and today I would like to present you how Powwow is supporting jamming on mobile devices. I will create first map on the device located on the upper part of the screen. For this I will place an player and an enemy object. Then I will select the background color. Let's choose for example this brown one. Now I will save the prototype called prot from prototype 1 and save this file locally. After the saving is done, I will push it onto the remote server. Now I can see on the left two columns which files I have locally, and now I start to push them on the remote server. As you can see, as the mouse pointer indicates on the screen, the remote server starts to update and it should receive the files in these two folders. As you can see, the files were received. Now I go on the second device located on the upper part, on the lower part of the screen. I see that on the remote server I have the files. This is indicated on the third and fourth column. Now I would like to get also this prototype on the second device. For this I pull the files on the second device. As you can see, now I have prototype 1 on the second device. I open this map and I see that I have one player, a castle and one enemy which were added on the first device. Now I would like to add an extra enemy, let's say for example 3, and one friend enemy indicated by this sheep, and one live charging object. Now I would like to save as prot2 from prototype 2, and after the saving was successfully done, I would like to push again the prototype on. Saving was done, and now I start with pushing the files on the remote server. As the mouse pointer indicates, the remote server starts automatically to synchronize, and I should receive the files also in the remote folder files. This was successfully achieved. Now I go on the first device. First of all, I see what I have on the remote server. I can see that I have prototype 2 also on the remote server, and now I start to pull also these files on the first device. Now I have also prototype 2 on the first device. After this I go in play modus and select the prototype 2. On this map I should have 3 enemies, 1 friend object and 1 live charging object. I receive the file and I start directly to play. As you can see, I have 3 skeletons which indicate enemies, and the sheep is 1 friend. Thank you very much for your attention.